For this video, I reviewed section 8.3, which is adding and subtracting rational expressions. But first, before we get started, joke of the day. Why do bees have sticky hair? Pause it. Because they use honeycombs. Alright, so first we're going to start off with adding rational expressions. So as this problem shows, the least common multiples are 2x minus 1 and x plus 3. So to make sure that we equal everything out and we can simplify everything at the end, we need to multiply the multiples by each other. So what that is, it's going to look like this. So you have to make the bottoms equal each other since we're adding something. So you have to make the denominators equal each other. So by doing that, we are going to multiply the opposite. So if we do it to the denominator, remember we have to do it to the numerator. Now I'm just going to add everything together. Remember, everything is over 2x minus 1 and x plus 6. The denominator is that. So once we simplify everything, we get 8x squared plus 2x minus 16 over, remember, the same denominator, 2x minus 1 and x plus 6. But remember, we have to find the undefined. So by doing that, we take the denominators and set it equal to y. So by doing that, we get x equals negative 6 and x equals 1/2. And if you want me to show 1/2 work, it's just 2x minus 1 equals y. Add the negative 1 over here, you get 1 equals 2x divided by 2 divided by 2, and there you get that over here. So again, that should be your final product of 8x squared plus 2x minus 16 over 2x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 6. So this is the second problem, and by doing this, we can find the least common multiple to be 4 parentheses 3x plus 1, because 12x plus 4, when it's simplified, equals that. So on the left side, since this equals this, we don't have to multiply the numerator by anything. So the numerator and denominator stay the same. We just simplify that. But on the right side, we have to multiply it by 4. So we get that. And soon after, we can simplify everything from up here to equal that. And we can still simplify it more. So we get 16x minus 9. Remember, the denominator stays the same. So now we just have to find the undefined. So remember, we just set the equation in the parentheses to y. So we subtract the 1s, we get negative 1 over 3x. So we get the undefineds to be negative 1/3. So your final product is this, and your undefined is that. Oh crap, okay. So for this problem, we can find the least common multiple to be x plus 4 and x minus 4. So by finding this, we can see again that the left side denominator is already simplified out, but we still have to multiply the right side by x plus 4 because we have the x minus 4. And so remember, if we do it to the denominator, we have to do it to the numerator. So again, we are going to get that. So I'm just going to do that down here, 2x plus 8. Alright, so once we simplify that, we get negative x minus 4 over x plus 4 and x, minus 4. Okay. Once we get that, we make sure that we put the negative outside. So we get that as our product, but we can cross these out. So we get negative 1 over x minus 4. So now we try to find the undefined, but the undefined is x equals 4 from the beginning. So the undefined is x equals 4. So that means that there is a hole at negative 4. So for this, you write hole. Oh, I can't spell hole. At x equals negative 4. Since we have the hole at x equals negative 4, you can put that there and make sure that we include the complete fraction. So that's pretty much a wrap up of section 8.3, but last joke. Hear about the new restaurant called Karma? There's no menu. You get what you deserve. Thank you.